This is Lily Mizak with the Blueprint News Network reporting live from Young Hearts for Life. Your gym class may look a little different on Thursday, September 16th. DGS is getting a visit from Young Hearts for Life, a nonprofit organization dedicated to providing comprehensive free cardiac screenings for students across the U.S. Headquartered in Illinois and founded by Loyola University alum Dr. Joseph Merrick, Young Hearts for Life seeks to address and prevent the loss of an estimated 60 young adult lives that are claimed by sudden cardiac deaths every week. Downers Grove South students had the opportunity to register for a free cardiac screening through their DGS email. Here we are joined by senior Angela Nemaneska.
I'm Angela. I'm a senior. The reason why I'm doing Young Hearts for Life is to use the resources that South is giving me to make sure my body and my heart are all in check.
Based upon the results of these screenings, trained associates can quickly identify potentially at-risk individuals. Using this model, Young Hearts for Life has successfully uncovered hundreds of life-threatening cardiac conditions in young adults.
Joining us live from the boys' EKG screening site is founder Dr. Joseph Merrick with reporter Lily Mizak.
Is there a specific message that you would like to send out to those parents and students that could potentially be involved with Young Hearts for Life?
Yeah, and I think the message is that you may think your child is perfectly healthy, maybe because they're involved in athletics and eat right and exercise regularly, but they still could be at risk for harboring one of these conditions that could cause sudden cardiac death. And like I said, can't imagine anything worse.
Now with us is senior Olivia Smith telling us about her journey with Young Hearts for Life.
Hi, my name is Olivia Smith. I'm a senior. I'm 17, and I think that the EKG screening, the Young Hearts for Life, is a really good, just overall thing that we have here, especially since it's free. A lot of kids probably would never know. Like today, I did the Young Hearts for Life screening, and they ended up thinking they found something. We had to call my mom. I'm going to the doctor's today, and it's something that, like, you know, it could be nothing, but it could be something. And it's something that we probably would never have known about. Like, if it is a problem and if it could be a problem in the future, then we were able to find it out today. It's definitely worth the wait.
This is Lily Mizak with the Blueprint News Network reporting live from Young Hearts for Life.